Hello and welcome to this tutorial series. This video series is specially created for BVOC software engineering courses in SG College Lahore, Ambala Kent. However, anyone is welcome to use these videos for educational purpose if these are helpful. I am Sangharsh from Computer Science Department, SG College Lahore, Ambala Kent. In this video, we will discuss some topics from operating system module. The topics are the critical section problem and semaphores. The critical section problem. Consider a system consisting of n processes P0, P1 up to Pn-1. Each process has a segment of code called a critical section in which the process may be changing common variables, updating a table, writing a file, and so on. The important feature of a system is that when one process is executing in its critical section, no other process is to be allowed to execute in its critical section. Thus, the execution of critical sections by the process is mutually exclusive in time. The critical section problem is to design a protocol that the processes can use to cooperate. Each process must request permission to enter its critical section. The section of code implementing this request is the entry section. The critical section may be followed by an exit section. The remaining code is the remainder section. The solution to the critical section problem must satisfy following three requirements: mutual exclusion, progress, bounded waiting. Mutual exclusion. If process Pi is executing in its critical section, then no other process can be executing in their critical section. Progress. If no process is executing in its critical section and there exists some process that wish to enter their critical section, then only those processes that are not executing in their remainder section can participate in the decision of which will enter its critical section next, and this section cannot be postponed indefinitely. Bounded waiting. There exists a bound on the number of times that other processes are allowed to enter their critical sections after a process has made a request to enter its critical section and before that request is granted.